Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy one pot recipe which is bread upma. It's mostly for students, beginners and bachelors. It's a simple recipe yet it's a tasty one. Let's get started. First let's cut the bread slices. I have taken half loaf bread, that is 8 to 10 slices of bread. Cut them into bite-sized cubes and keep them aside. I'm going to eat 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot enough, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it starts spluttering, add the chopped onions. This is 2 medium-sized onions. Add a few curry leaves. Fry them for a minute on medium heat. I am adding a teaspoon of red chilli flakes. Increase or decrease according to your liking. Add some salt as per your requirement. Let's add the bread pieces and toss them up for a while. Keep the flame on medium heat. It's a perfect recipe for you to pack in a little one's lunch box or enjoy anytime as a snack. Keep tossing them up for about 3 to 4 minutes occasionally or until the bread turns crisp and brown. Now the bread is nice and crisp. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Add half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix all of this very well. Quick and easy breakfast. You can prepare this in just 10 minutes. It's really delicious. Do try this recipe and let me know how it goes for you. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.